Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3. All right, well, I got part audio back. Yeah. What? I still don't know what the hell's going on. My regular microphone's not working, so I can't use that. I'm using my webcam, which I don't like. But I'll see what I can do here. All right, where am I at here? All right, at least some things are coming back. There we go. All right, thanks for coming back. Link to 8. Come on, Streamlabs. Where am I at? All right, I was going to take a long. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to have to do some adjustments here. Oh, I'm in the 15-minute candle. Looks like we went ahead and closed the gap. I would hate to drop the 15-minute low here at 866, but we could. It's possible. I was looking for a long above this 5-minute wick. Now I could probably bring it down just a hair. Oops. What is that? The high 922. And I'd probably reshort down here IB. IB, where are we at with IB? IB got 9 minutes left. Technical difficulties abound, man. Streamlabs just closed down. I am just in and out today. Wife has me on Thanksgiving dinner prep through today. Wow. Yeah, I hear you, Cap. I hear you. I'm going to be, yeah, that'll be my tomorrow. Anyway, Streamlabs just crashed. I don't know what the hell. So it just crashed. So it is what it is. All right. So I'm down a little bit. 63 is gone. It won't be there tomorrow. 61, I was down 2 grand, back down only now 486. So I'll see what I can do to get that to be a greenie. Friday, I did a pretty good job, got my counts back to flat pretty much. And so that was good after being red most of the day. And I don't really know if I want to take 2 here on the long. Not particularly. But I will take 1. So is that 922.50 roughly? So 15-minute, what's it looking like? Well, the 15 doesn't give me a lot of confidence. No reversal candle, you know, just a thing up. So I don't even know if I want that long. Other than I could maybe get 10 points or something. Right now we just closed the gap on the 15. I would have liked to have seen some type of reversal candle. So maybe this is going to be it, or maybe not. So now I would take a short. Probably around, oh, actually about 896 or so. So maybe something like that. We're down to about 22 on the ATR. So still get a lot of movement here. I really don't want to see it go up. Can take me out? Yep, took me out. See, normally what I would do is I would play the 15-minute candle, but I got to wait. I would wait, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to just watch this and look for whatever it's going to do. I don't really care. And then I'm watching the 1 minute to see if I want to take that short. Here, this is the way I would play this. Just like I did here. I really would have liked that, seen that go. $9.22, something above $9.22, $9.25, and we could possibly see it long. 3 seconds left. Yeah, maybe that was the reversal. It's just tough to take. So we hit the bear zone right at the bottom there, right where that gap. Let me get rid of that green line. I got to see if we're going to hold. See, I just got nothing. Okay, down, 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 and up. What's my bot going to do? Okay, I need this next one to be a winner. 15 minutes just holding, so I'm holding. But what I don't want to see is just us bouncing around in between the two here. See if we can get some winners going here. Just not such a cheap trade. We're down to a 20 ATR. Two minutes left on the 5 and the 15. So good time just to wait. I'll wait 2 minutes. Oh, this one might be done too. Oh yeah, this one's done too. I don't know how. Okay, 1 minute left. Break up back inside the bear zone would be good. See if we can get that move up. There's IB, the IB alarm. So IB is set. See if we can stay up here in the bear zone. Come on, push up there. Okay, at the top of that will be the start of a 5-minute sell gap. Right around 55. See if I can get up there. Come on, baby, stay up there. Nope. 19 points. Just too much for my little 10-point stop. Yeah, we could come down to 17. Is the 5-minute gap fill. All right, maybe got a little bit further. Bam. Should have just stopped trading when I was all green. I don't know how that account's still alive. That's part of the deal with running a channel or a stream, is being prepared to just stop. And I'm not prepared to do that yet, apparently. That's one of the struggles. Yeah, I do. So my goal ultimately is 750 on each PA account. If I can get to 750, I like to definitely stop. Because if you think about it, let's say you have a new PA account, the 30% rule, right? It's about 750 to get your 3,000 roughly. Is that right? It's 2,500. So my goal was not to exceed that, and just kind of keep it right in there between 5 and 750. On the one PA that's down 1,600, he had a $2,100 day. So in order to get anything out, I got to get him up there to whatever it was. I can't remember. 2,200 divided by 0.3. I had to get him up 7 grand, 7,300. So I was willing to push him. 63, I wasn't really willing to push. So I could just take a little bit longer and do the same thing and try to keep it at 750. I didn't get there. Then I got a little caught up in this little down move right in here. This is where I lost a little bit. But I had a pretty good comeback, but now I'm back down again. So I have a profit target. My loss targets, I struggle with a little bit. And I'll be honest that I struggle with them. Because my thinking is it's too loosey-goosey, right? Because it's like, okay, I don't really care if I lose those PA counts. They don't bother me because I can get another one. And it's not that I want to gamble, yeah, I'm gambling. But, I was up on all of them. That's when I got to say, okay, I'm done. Especially, I was talking with Michael and he said, look, you got to remember, short week this week too. So I should have just kept my money. I was up 1,500 something, and I should have been happy with that. Instead, I'm going to blow these two accounts, 61 and 63, I'm pretty sure. And then I'll keep 66 and 65. I won't mess with them. My goal is to get 4 to 5 PA accounts. I had 5 PA accounts for a long time. And I mean, I had Lilu, I had a number of different accounts. But streaming, showing your trades, I want to trade, and I get caught up into that. Well, I got to trade to get people, right? And when I shouldn't be thinking that way, I should just play my game. And, if I'm up 1,500, and if I'm not going to trade anymore, I can either close the stream or just sit here and BS, right? Or just talk about trades. And that's the point I got to get to. Psychologically, it's tough. I'll be honest. It's tough to say, because I want to put out some trades. When really I don't really need to, right? I mean, I should just show my trades, and they are what they are, and I trade the way I trade. Yeah, our trade and eval, exactly, and that's typically what I like to do. Like I have one ready, I have the one there. I haven't touched it, and that's what I should have done. I should have switched over, and I thought about it for about 30 seconds, and for some reason I said, no, let's get 61 and 63 up a little bit higher, which is always the kiss of death. always the kiss of death. All right, one more minute on the 5. We've closed the gap. We're in a gap. We filled the 5-minute gap here on the gap up. We came down and smacked into this guy. So let's see what happens here. But yeah, you know, I struggle just like we all struggle, right? I mean, I'm not perfect. I don't care to be. I know, you know, that we all have our days of glory and the days that you just don't, you know, you trade no wrong, and then there's days that you do. You're thinking it's not there. I need to get back into that. Yeah, and it's been tricky. Typically last 3 to 4 days, 5 days in November are typically up days. Same with the first 2 weeks. I find out in Christmas, you know, December. So I think it was 2 years ago. I made a crap load of money in like a 2-week period. Pretty much could have paid for the, you know, a lot of people's whole year's salary. So they can turn around. Oh, so there's potential long, which I missed. Daydreaming. See if we can get up there. Don't really care for that candle. So I'm going to, yeah. It probably is not going to be a good long. Come on, baby, get up there. Let's see just a little spike. See that 15-minute? That could put some pressure down to the downside. Maybe we can get up to 929 and get and reject. I'm just going to reduce my risk here a little bit. Come on. We could just come crashing down any second, I think. Come on, go. Unless that baby can go green. This 15-minute right there. Maybe I can pull something out of this. Come on, push it on up there to 51, man. Try to lock in 500 if I can. Nope, not going to let me. Just wasn't quick enough. So we can get 42. Oh, that was nasty. Very nasty. You know, we're all on a journey, right? We're all on our own journey. Emotionally, mainly emotionally when it comes to trading. Okay, 5 minutes gap's closing right here. Come on, give me 5. Give me 10. The gap fill was at 10. It got down to 11, which is good enough. See if we can make a move back up. Come on. Oops. Tried to drop my stop. Unfortunately, price got there before I did. Stay up. Damn you. All right. So 5 minute gap plays. That was, oh, hold on. That's a phantom position there. These 5 minute gap plays they're pretty good. So I still think we're going to go long. I'll try to stay in this trade if I can. See, so you can play that 5 minute gap. And I like to try to play it, you know, like if you would have played this at 10, you'd have played this at 13. I always take 2 to 3 points. But there's already 19 points you could have made just by taking that gap fill at the bottom. And ideally, so if you'd have taken it at 13, I'm looking for 34 points basically up to the 1 minute weighted, which is where I would have been sitting just like that. Obviously I didn't get in at 13, but that's where I should have been in. And I like the idea of taking two. Yeah, I like the idea of taking two there, taking one off at plus 10, and then holding one. Because a lot of times you can get a big move off those gap fills like that on the 5 minute. So you make that gap fill, and then bam, you just take off from there. There's not really a bam moment yet, but we're trying to get there. Come on, let's see if we can get 948, baby. No. Come on, stay up there. Nope. Yep. Yeah, that's where I thought we were going, but apparently it might have different direction here. This might be my last trade on this one. Come on, move back up. Give me 11. There we go. 11 or keep going up. All right, anybody going anywhere special this week? See if we can come down and get this IB. Come on, baby, come on down. Nope. Damn you. Might get taken out here. Jason, you got blank. Good morning. You sucker fish. Good morning. You're going to eat chili for Thanksgiving. Yep, nothing wrong with that. All right, 20 seconds left on the 5. I'm back to where I was. Not looking good. Let's see, 30-minute play, 8:30. It's just bouncing all over the place. Probably should just stay out of this trade. A little bit higher, come on. Not now. Okay, we come down, hit the 70.2 at 894. Almost right on the tick. What do we do? The low is 895, so 894.66. Pretty damn close. Maybe a little tick too high. So we might do a little bouncy bounce here, a little playing around. But ultimately, see if we can come on down here. If we do, I would take 2 more. Even though this play hasn't panned out here lately, maybe today's the day. And if we continue to come down, I'll move this close to probably right. That'd be 38 points. See, I can take it down there. 34 now. Get an extra 4. Yeah. Ideally, see if I can get down there. We got the 78.6 at 888.69. See if we pop on down. Bottom of this gap right here at 879. Come on, baby. Trying to get down to 888.75. So that's what I'm looking at is, I think what I did is from right here. There you go. Still got a minute left. Might do a suck back and hopefully a drop down. If not, we may have completed this little down move. 44 seconds left. Come on, baby, let's go. So those bottom two, if they come down and pass IB, let me check something real quick. So that was support. We do have support right here at 847. That's the top control. And then 827. So IB is at 869. So that's about 20 points. It'd be nice to get that. We might come down here to the bottom of this 5-minute gap and bounce also, 864. Okay, we have a 5-minute gap fill up to 905. I doubt if we get that high, so the good short would have been at 900. Damn it. And now we should make a move down. All right, we're hitting the 78.6. Right there. See if we can keep it below 900, ideally. Come on, baby, let's go. Move down. You can do it. These two sell stops at the bottom, they're 10 and 20. But don't think I was going to get hit. 902, they're going to take me. Damn you. So coming up to the gap fill 905, so 903. Watch this. Let's see if I can do it. What's that gap fill? 905. You got the 1 minute gap fill at 907. Just hit it, and we're going to keep going, you suckers. Oh, didn't like that. Did not like that. C'est la vie. All right, move back above 917. Gosh damn it. Oh, what happened? I for sure thought we were heading down to IB. Maybe we are. Okay, drop back below 900. Damn you. One minute left on the 5. We are into this buy gap here. See, this is a time of day you don't want to be fucking trying to catch back up. This is the time you want to be completed. Yeah, looks like we're going to go higher. What do we got here? Just a sideways mess. Still looking at down, 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 4 downs and 1 up. 60-minute is up. We are getting some positive delta coming. Maybe we just needed to can go sideways here once we fill the gap from the weekend. And we'll consolidate here. This is nasty. So 61 and 63 are officially bye-bye. Okay, we're below, nope, not yet. See if we get below 100, I mean 900. Yep, that's what it is. Now you can see it pretty clear on the 15. You know, you basically have this. Or better way to do it would just be put it in a box. So you got your red to green right there, and there's your box. So you don't take any of this crap in the middle. Unless you want to take the extreme high or extreme low. The only bad thing is 900's in there. And, you know, a drop of 900 would be a short. At least down to 93. Look how nasty. So violent. Still a bad spot to be, right in the middle of the box. But if we can stay below 600 there, I mean 900. Come on down to 93. Yeah, the longer we stay here, the worse. $14 point ATR helps out. Yeah. Don't take me. Bye-bye. Oh, Phantom. Got a Phantom order. Good job, Replicanto. Ugly. Ooh, ugly, 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 ugly. Coming up to the 1 minute weighted, pointing down. One hour gap is closed. That gap is closed. Where's ES at today? Is is ES up or down? My trading view is like an hour behind or something. That's another story. I got to find out what the hell that's going on. All right, I'll get out. I'm not in a good frame of mind. I'm being stupid. Lost 61, 63. I'll keep 65 and 66, leave them alone. Wait till tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm not anticipating a whole lot. Let's see, what's the scoop for tomorrow? Doesn't look like a whole lot of news. There might be more. It's just I'm not showing. All right, yes, that's 6012. Oh, it looks like it's lined up. So ES is up 25 points. What's gold up to? Oh boy, gold took a nice hefty little drop. There we go. So what's today? So tomorrow we have S&P composite. I don't know what that is. We have the consumer confidence, new home sales, Richmond manufacturing index. Gold taking a little bit of a hit today. What about oil? CL. I don't even know what futures CL is. Maybe not. Yeah, oil's down too, $2 because of that news on Hezbollah and Israel, I think. All right, so tomorrow's stream will be short. We'll probably go for an hour because I think people are going to be gone pretty fast. Just like today, look, we've just dried up here. We're not doing anything. And I really don't want to just sit here in front of the monitor and wait for something to happen because then I'll end up just trading everything stupidly. Got to know your weaknesses. I know mine. All right, we're getting up to that 1 minute weighted. Looks like we're going to try to push up. There we go, going for that long. So, all right. Nobody's got anything to say, neither do I. Gonna be days like this where I'm stupid and didn't wait and didn't like just stop or trade an eval. I don't feel like blowing this one up either. So, all right, people are dropping off. Ciao. Yeah, man. You too, Cap. Get rid of that.
writing of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Sweating each second in the digital glow. Markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfold.